Welcome to part 2 of the Jeep LED headlight install. I took out the old bracket for the headlights and I glued the new LED headlights with the old bracket so that they now can just fit in and I can have the ability to adjust the light angle. I then installed the brackets and the chrome trimming and I taped up the headlights so that it doesn't get damaged when I installed them. So the blue cover tape is just so that it's protected. I then just adjusted the angle at which the light shines. And now let's see the moment of truth, the test. So this is the daytime running lights, just the outside ring halo. Then I'll test the hazards with the built-in amber halo. Then this is the normal lights with then the indicators. That was the right indicator, and then that's the left-hand side indicator. So if you enjoyed it, remember to follow and stay tuned for more DIY Beetle build.